Hello viewers, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm taking you through my farm. This is a natural farm and I have different types of crops here. So in this lane I'm taking you to the path. You can see that the weeds have been gathered around the crops to serve as a mulch, and intercropped with beans and maize and some vegetables. So here you would see that we've used animal droppings, that is particularly we collected the waste from the goats that we are keeping at home to serve as organic fertilizer. Just take a look at how we've taken our time to weed through the farm and use the leaves to cover some parts of the farm, particularly the areas that are exposed to sunlight. Is this not wonderful? Wow! If you have this organic farm, what would you do? And here we have some ornamental plants which also have or play a very important role. What do you call this in your local language, or do you have this plant in your region? And we have some pumpkins growing over there, some herbs, and that is papaya tree. Some would call it pawpaw. Now let's take a step further and let's see what else do we have on the farm. I see more of the maize doing very well because of the organic strategies that we adopted on this farm. Also, at the far end, we integrated some organic plants or tree plants. So this is an integrated farm. Actually, I wouldn't call it a maize farm and I wouldn't call it a banana farm, because we planted some trees at the far end as well, and of course there are trees interspread among the maize. So I think my farm is doing well. What's your opinion? What do you say? And I also like the fact that despite the intense insolation or sunlight, while other farms are struggling to thrive, this strategy that we adopted using the natural method without applying any spray or chemical, and also integrating different crops to mimic the mixed farming method. At the end of the day, if one crop does not thrive, another one would do well. So it's a way of trying to spread risks, particularly when the rainfall has been erratic in this minor season. Yeah, and what's your opinion about how we weeded through the farm? Particularly the areas where I have done some spacing. Yeah, I look forward to your feedback and happy to hear more from you. And also, I'll be happy that you subscribe to my channel for more of these interesting videos, and also check other videos on my platform.